Okay, so Donald just asked if he could get a work visa to Belarus and if I could educate him on the processes and is there a language barrier. Okay, so Donald, for you to get a visa, a work visa to Belarus, there are some requirements you need to meet, right? But first of all, I want to tell you that Russian language is not a barrier. The official language that is spoken here in Belarus is Russian. So the language is not a barrier for you to get a work visa into the country. But when you are in the country, the knowledge of the Russian language opens more ways for you. Like it exposes you to more opportunities. So yes, it's going to pave ways for you if you learn the Russian language, but it is not a barrier for coming into the country. You can get a work visa to Belarus without the knowledge of the Russian language, okay? So how do you go about this? First of all, there are two ways for you to get a work visa to Belarus. And the first way is either you get a job by yourself, either you find a job that is willing to hire you, right? And give you a work contract, like a work permit, an official work permit. And they're going to go ahead to send you a sponsorship letter that you can take to the embassy, the Belarusian embassy in your home country, to apply for this visa, right? So that you can come down to start working with this company. And for you to find these companies by yourself, you need to go to the official job website in Belarus, which is RABOTA.BY, RABOTA.BY. So that's the official job application website in Belarus. On this website, all the companies publishes their job vacancies in this website, right? And then on this same website, job applicants find jobs there. If you're an applicant, all you have to do is just to create a profile with your phone number or your email address, put your phone number there, put your photo, enter your data, your date of birth, your name, everything about yourself, your nationality. You can put your work experiences, the companies you've worked with before. You can put your skills. You can also put your educations, right? Your education experience. This is to enable the companies who are going to hire you to learn more about you. So after putting all of this there, you can go ahead to start searching for the kinds of job that you want. And on this same website, companies also post job vacancies on this website. The job description, the kind of person they are looking for, right? So you can just read the different job descriptions. For example, if you're looking for a customer support job, you can go to this filter, go to search, and search for customer support. And all the vacancies under customer support are going to pop out. And you can apply to as many as you want. You can apply up to 240 job applications per day. And if you submit this application, you continue the next day, you have a high chance of getting a job offer. And after you get this job offer, if the company is eligible to hire you as a foreigner to prepare your work visa document for you to travel down, then they will do it for you. So that is the first way for you to get it by yourself. Then the second way is if you don't have any company that will hire you to prepare these work documents for you, you can go ahead to contact agents or people who are in the country who can help you to do this. And these agents also have contacts of companies that are willing to prepare this job offer for you. So they are going to take your passport, translate it to Russian, take it to these companies, and these companies are going to prepare your work document, right? They are going to give you the work contract, and with this work contract, they are going to proceed to the immigration center to get a work permit for you and also your sponsorship letter. This work permit is going to be taken to the Foreign Affairs, where they are going to get your official job invitation letter for you, and you can take this letter to the Belarusian embassy in your home country to apply for your visa, or you can get a visa on arrival at the Minsk National Airport here in Belarus if you don't have the Belarusian embassy in your home country, right? So when you get here, you just settle in and then you can start working with the company. This is how it works. So if you have any other question, you can let me know in the comment section and I'll do my best to reply to you. And if you want me to reach out to these companies that can hire you to prepare this job offer letter for you, you can send me a direct DM and I'll do my best to help you out, okay? Goodbye and see you in the next video.